Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson is how to play a simple bluegrass turnaround lick in the key of E major. It can be used as a turnaround or an ending, so very easy to play. So let's get started. Okay, to play this simple bluegrass end or turnaround lick, you'll primarily be playing the first three strings, starting with the 4th fret. Finger number 2 goes on string number 3 of the 4th fret, skip a string, then place finger number 3 on the 1st string, and then you want to pick string 3, and then 1, and then string 2, and then slide down 1 fret to the 3rd fret, strings 3, and then 1, and then 2, and then slide down another fret to fret 2, string 3, 1, 2, and then with your index finger or your finger number 1, place it on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, and then strum the bottom 3 strings all together. So that'll go again. Okay, and then to end it, the 5th string, the open A string, you'll strum it 1 time, and then place your index finger or finger number 1 on the 1st fret, and then you strum the B7 chord. Okay, and to play the B7 chord, you can visit my other lessons, but finger number 1 is on string number 4 of the 1st fret. Finger number 2 is on string number 5 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 4, your little finger, is on the very first bottom string, also on the 2nd fret. And then strum all strings but the top string. And that's the B7 chord. Okay, so again, you'll strum A string open, and then 1st fret, and then you can end with the E major note. So to review, again. If you'd like to see more of these lessons, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I appreciate all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.